Hey guys, good morning. Tony here. Pre-market, Palantir actually breaks previous all-time highs of 29.05, which is actually the closing price. So we actually already hit over $30, but we didn't close over it. We're actually right now pre-market at 30.56. My position as of right now is 14,743. I'm up about $4,000, but you guys already know I've taken like $5,000 profit already from this. So technically, I am up almost around like 10K off of PLTR. And I did have by the end of this week a projection of about $40. If this momentum continues and we keep increasing as we are right now, I do see we do have really strong resistance at $30, which is why you guys see the sell off right now. But if we keep this momentum up, I do think we can easily see $40 this week. To be completely honest, and then once we cross that $40, I do think, $50 and $60 is pretty inevitable. I do think we're gonna crush $50, and I think we're gonna head straight to $60 because I do see Palantir as closer to an $80 stock, which would kind of bring them, as of right now, closer to like a 120-ish billion-dollar valuation, which is closer to what they're actually worth. And then they have to have more catalysts and news to actually go above that.